So we have Feyisa here from Columbus, Ohio. Feyisa has been here since Friday. Friday was our business class. Saturday, our exterior training class with ceramic coating certification. And today was interior training and headlight restoration. So what do you think of the whole weekend?
It was great. I learned a lot. To be honest, when I came, I didn't expect I'm going to learn a lot of information, a lot of hands-on training, and it was the drive, it was the decision, so everything's great.
Great. Do you feel then we exceeded your expectations?
Yes, 100%.
What did you like best about the training? You've been here Friday for the business and marketing class, Saturday for exterior paint correction, ceramic coating training, and today for interior training and headlight restoration. What did you like? What are some of the things that you liked the best this weekend?
So since I am new to the car detailing, everything I learned over these 3 days was everything. And on Friday, especially the marketing part, the power of social media, that exceeds like everything. And on Saturday, ceramic coating and also prep work for ceramic coating, and today interior detailing, everything. I
You
learned
did a really
lot.
good job too.
Yes.
And you work fast. That's
Thank
important in detailing. So you're going to go back and open up a detailing business.
Yes, so I have a partner.
Going to go into partners with somebody. Okay,
Yes.
great.
Yes.
Excellent.
And
Excellent.
I would like to say thank you.
You got it.
And also I would thank you the trainers. They are very patient.
Yeah.
They are very knowledgeable, and thank you.
They did a great job. They did a great job. Very good. Well, now you are Details are certified and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Congratulations. You're a great student.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.